How to use BeReal offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use BeReal account. In order to use BeReal, you need to follow these steps. If you want to use BeReal offline, you need to understand that there's no way you can use BeReal offline, as it requires an internet connection to receive the daily BeReal notification and to view or share posts with friends as well. So the core functionality of the app relies on the real-time connected experience, and any attempt to use it without connections will prevent you from participating in a daily posting and viewing as well. So basically, there is no way you could use BeReal offline. So you have to make sure to get connected to a stable internet. Only then you'll be able to use BeReal offline. Now, in times, you should be able to notice that in some cases you might be able to take a picture, but you'll not be able to post it or share it with your friends. So that's the only limitation. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.